Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Gemini and choosing the video generation tool. Sign in with the account linked to your Google services. Next, select resolution and aspect ratio. Pick 16:9 for landscape or square for social. Then upload assets, images, clips, and a short reference voice. Compress large files to speed the workflow. Once done, draft a clear prompt that describes scene order, style, and pacing. This gives Gemini the instructions it needs to start rendering your first draft. Now you refine content. Break the video into scenes and write precise prompts for each. Describe camera moves, lighting, and actor actions so Gemini can visualize them. Make sure clips are trimmed, remove silent gaps, and normalize audio to about -6 dB to avoid clipping. Then assign voiceover and language, and add timing markers or on-screen text cues so generated clips sync properly. Once these elements are aligned, preview a short segment to confirm visual style and pacing before full render. You're ready to render. Start with a low-resolution draft to check pacing, lip sync, and transitions. This saves time and credits. Once satisfied, render the final output. Choose MP4 or MOV, pick a suitable bitrate and codec, and export to your preferred folder. Make sure to back up the project and assets. If rendering fails or quality is off, clear cache and retry with smaller files. Additionally, verify your API or account quota to rule out limits. This single step often fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.